So last video, we looked at this very prominent break that happens in the Gypsy Kings instrumental song called Tiempo del Sol. And somebody wrote to me and asked if I could please do the entire song. If you haven't yet learned like this break, it happens 3 times over this song. It's very prominent. Check out this video up here. There should be a link somewhere up here. Go and learn the break so that you can really jam it out with me as I play this out. If you haven't yet learned a groove pattern to play along with it, you can now check out this video, which is the Rumba Catalana, which is very simple to play with. You can also use the Rumba Tumbao. Which is a little bit more advanced. That's on my modern method for Cajon, and I'm going to be using the Rumba Tumbao for playing along to this groove today. Hi, I'm Heidi Joubert and welcome to my YouTube videos. My videos are completely sponsored by myself, so the best thing you can do to show support and love is give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. It's completely free, so it's a really easy way that you can show me that you really value the lessons and the videos that I put out here. If you don't know, I have an awesome Cajon community and platform. It's called cajonbox.com, where I host my step-by-step Cajón Method. And you can become a member there. You can check out my handcrafted instruments. This is Cruz Cajon. It's developed by myself and a fantastic artisan, handcrafted in Spain. Go check that out and sign up to my newsletter. You get discounts, you get the latest news that nobody else gets, and there's no way you're gonna miss a video if you signed up to my newsletter. All right, let's jump straight into the track. I hope you guys are ready. Here we go. It is called Gypsy Kings Tiempo del Sol. The whole vibe. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guitar. I really hope that you could keep up with that. If it's a little bit fast, what you can do is go to YouTube, find the song on YouTube, and there's a settings bar on YouTube that you can set the tempo of the song slower, right? So that you can actually practice along at a slower pace until you get it, and then you push up your speed just like we practice in all of my video lessons. If you want to have a look at how to add the cowbell pedal to this rhythm, check out this video lesson over here. It's taken from my modern method for cajon. Go and learn it right now so that you can add that extra awesome Latin vibe to the tune. I'll see you guys for a new video lesson next week.